Hey champs, today we are going to learn our 10th function in our PHP 100 function series. Okay, now create an array 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if you need this array value convert in a string with space like 1 space 2 space 3 any other. Okay, so now string implode, you can implode anything is here. Okay, now we are adding a space and we are done string. So this array will convert as a string with a space. Now open it and check this 1 2 3 4 5. So now if you want to add any other things is here like comma, like this, and you can add anything here like Nafis. So Nafis will add between 1 2 3 and 4 5 like this. So you can check Nafis. Okay, so friends, if you think this video is useful to you, so like, subscribe, comments and share this video. Thank you very much for watching.